Morning, fellas. Ben back again. This is what you get to see after a dirt ride. Every dirt ride is different, and there are some dirt rides that make for a bloody mess. The motorcycle just has to take all sorts of crap and has to deal with it effortlessly, and that is why it's very important to maintain the bike. If you let this pile up, this is definitely going to eat into your motorcycle. This is definitely going to cause a lot of harm. Maybe in a week, in a month, in a year, your motorcycle is definitely going to be rotting. It'll start rotting at some point of time, and then you will definitely ask for trouble if you continue to ignore these things. Now, this was in particular slush dirt ride. This was not hardcore rocks and the likes of it. The rocks would definitely be a lot more detrimental than this, but this is deadly as well. This sticks to the bike, and you have to. It's a must that you clean it. This has been going on forever. Yesterday I posted a video on Instagram about how clean the bike looked, and here you go. Today it's a mess like that. Brand new suspension looking as ugly and as dirty as that, and the rest of the bike, if you guys take a closer look, all that is dirt, as dirty as the bike can get. Oh, so this is the usual scene. This is the daily life of an adventure rider, a dirt rider, and you have to embrace it. You can't really be trying to keep your motorcycle clean and expect to learn skills. This is not going to happen. You will have to get down and dirty, and only then you can expect to learn new skills, good skills that will keep you alive when you decide to go off-road. And yeah, the rest of the maintenance is on the channel. All that needs to be done to keep the motorbike up and running and fit and healthy. But for all the fellows who shy away from dirt, let this be another inspiration on how to take care of dirt. Do not let it bother you in the head. Just go get the bike washed and do a thorough cleaning of each of these components, because this is really nasty shit. This will affect the bike at multiple levels. Yep, so that was that. A quick walk around of Himi and how dirty Himi is now. We'll catch up on another one. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.